สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hello everyone it's me again Anchisa from Ling Up and today podcast topic going to be about the popular slang words in Thai. Today I want to share with you of how to use the slang word in Thai so you can sound like a totally local even if you are not. Learning slang word in another language is always fun. It's actually my favorite part of learning a new language.You can give the impressions of being ahead of your language game with just a few clues. In addition, you will know what the people around you are up to or even what they are thinking about you if you know the slang word in Thai. This can definitely be a game changer if you use them right. So let's get started with the first one, the word Faht. Faht means nail it. It is used by the younger Thai people.in an approved manner. For example วันนี้ชุดยาย่าฟาดมากวันนี้ชุดยาย่าฟาดมาก which means today Yaya's office really nailed it. The next one Lert. Lert fabulous excellent something that Lert is cool or awesome. You can use this word when your friends tell you a story and you want to reply that this story is fabulous or cool.For example ฉันเพิ่งจองตั๋วเครื่องบินไปกระบี่อาทิตย์หน้าฉันเพิ่งจองตั๋วเครื่องบินไปกระบี่อาทิตย์หน้า I just booked a flight to go to Krabi next week and you can just reply casually Lert which means that's fabulous or that's great. Next one มองบนมองบน roll eyes the word roll eye is just literally meaning that like when some people make you feel like annoyed or you just don't like it. For example คนนี้ขี้โม้มากเลยมองบนแป๊บคนนี้ขี้โม้มากเลยมองบนแป๊บ This person is so bragging let me roll my eyes real quick. Simple as that. Next one มันดีมากแม่มันดีมากแม่It means to say something was great. This is popular amongst girls to express something was awesome. For example, เมื่อวานฉันไปดำน้ำมามันดีมากแม่เมื่อวานฉันไปดำน้ำมามันดีมากแม่ I went scuba diving yesterday. It was so awesome. มันดีมากแม่ is like the word แม่ is mean mom, and we women in Thai just refer another girlfriends as แม่ but be careful. You can't just call.Every woman meh. It need to be like your close friend or you know each other. The next one แบบจุกๆแบบจุกๆร้านนี้ให้it mean a lot big amount. For example ร้านนี้ให้ข้าวแบบจุกๆเลยร้านนี้ให้ข้าวแบบจุกๆเลย which mean this restaurant gives a lot of food. Next one อย่าหาทำอย่าหาทำ which means don't try it don't think about it. It is used if you want to express to your friends to not do something. For example ฉันจะจีบนักแสดงคนนี้ฉันจะจีบนักแสดงคนนี้ I'm going to flirt with this actor and you can just say อย่าหาทำอย่าหาทำ which means don't think about it or basically like don't do it. And the next one ลำไยลำไยmeans annoying. For example คนนั้นพูดมากจังเลยลำไยคนนั้นพูดมากจังเลยอะลำไย which means that person is talking too much so annoying. And next one เท which means got dumped got ditched. You can use this one when you got dumped from the relationship. Another situation is like when you and your friends agree to go out on somewhere together but then you got ditched by your friends. For example the situation one first เธอเทผมไปคบกับคนอื่นเธอเทผมไปคบกับคนอื่น which means she dumped me and dating another guy. Another one is เพื่อนเทฉันแล้วไปดูหนังกับแฟนแทนเพื่อนเทฉันแล้วไปดูหนังกับแฟนแทน which means my friend ditched me and went to the movie with her boyfriend instead. Yes. And the last one ปัง splendidly which means this can be used as a compliment to someone. For example วันนี้สวยปังมากวันนี้สวยปังมาก which means today you are especially gorgeous actually the word ปังเลิศ and Faht it actually kind of same things just in a different level ปัง is mean like very outstanding fabulous like it's just not like a normal beautiful but like super gorgeous or something like that. Yes, so that should be all for today's topics. I hope you guys enjoy learning with me. And before you leave, please also subscribe and like our channel so you can have more lesson with us again in next week. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye bye.